Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, and if you're not new, thank you so much Butterfly for coming back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this bomb 2x6 hair from ULA Hair. This hair is so beautiful. It is so soft, so lightweight, so easy to install. Like, it took me 0.2 seconds to install. You're going to see that in the video, but before that, let me show you how I received the package and what I received in the package. This hair, I didn't put no products in it. There's absolutely nothing in this hair. It's so beautiful. My goodness, I love it so much. Do check out ULA Hair. I'm going to leave all their links in the description box, and I would honestly, like, if you have no time to do your hair at all but you still want that beautiful look, this is the way to go. There's literally no closure. You see it in the video. There's literally no like long closure, just the length of the hair. If you like to see this hair video, please keep on watching, and if you end up enjoying, give me a thumbs up. Okay, you know it helps my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. With my makeup, and I just changed my outfit, so we're going to start installing this wig. I wouldn't even call it an install. I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the lace and then put it back on my head. Medium tanto, just to make this fit my scalp better, or fit my skin shape better, like. This, I don't know if I want to brush it out. Brushing it out will make it bigger. This, I don't know if I want to brush it out. Brushing it out will make it bigger, for sure. Let's brush it out. The hair is so soft, honestly, so incredibly soft. And the install, like, I'm done now. There was no any install, it was just a closure. This is what the hair looks like. That was literally a 2-second install, right? and the texture of this hair is so soft, so I totally recommend you trying it out. And look behind, that's where it's getting to on my back. So it's very pretty, and it's very like very holiday, if I do say so myself. I didn't put any product in this hair like it, so literally this hair took me 0.2 seconds to install. I wouldn't even call that an install. So this is what the hair looks like, and it is so beautiful, so incredibly soft, and that install took all but 2 seconds. I mean, you saw, and I absolutely love this hair. It's giving me vacation vibes, you know. I don't have 10 hours to go through to do my hair and, you know, lay my frontal or my closure. I just put on this bomb looking wig, and I feel like just because of how nice the curls look and how soft it is, it's soft, it's lightweight, it's big. Like if I wanted it to be bigger than this, I'll come without more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want, you can check out ULA Hair. I'm going to leave their links down in the description box, and get you some good affordable hair. Stop hurting yourself with Nigerian vendors. Most of them sell rubbish, you know, so why not go for options like this where you know what you see is what you get. Literally, they are giving you, if you go buy this wig, what you're seeing here is what you'll get for an affordable amount. I'm going to leave the price on the screen, of course. Thank you so much, Butterfly, for hanging out with me, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.